Mo kí ẹ̀yin bàbá wa gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá mo mà tún kí yín. Mo tún kí yín pé ẹ kú iṣẹ́ tòní ní ọjọ́ ìṣẹ́gun. Ẹ mọ̀ ṣẹ́gun ọ̀tá ni o. Ẹ mọ̀ rẹ́yìn àwọn òdì. Yorùbá níbi tí ìkórìtà tí ọ̀rọ̀ wá dé. Àní ká pariwo ká tún sọ fún yín pé Yorùbá wípé àgbájọ ọwọ́ la fi ń sọ̀yà. Wọ́n ní àjòjì ọwọ́ kan ò gbẹ́rù dórí. Ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ jẹ́ á ṣera wa lóṣùṣù ọwọ̀ kí ọ̀tá má bàa borí wa. Ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ yé jẹ́ á tanra wa jẹ mọ́. Torí Yorùbá wípé èèyàn méjì kì í pàdánù irọ́. Èèyàn kan náà ni ó pàdánù. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni tán parọ́ fún ò bá mọ̀ pé irọ́ náà ń pa fóun. Ẹni tí ń parọ́ ṣá mọ̀ pé irọ́ ló ń pa. Ẹ jẹ́ á ṣera wa lóṣùṣù ọwọ̀ ká fi òdodo àti inú kan ká fi yọ Yorùbá kò nínú ìgbèkùn àwọn oníṣàríà, àwọn Sultan Sokoto, àwọn Fulani international agenda on Yorùbá land. Torí kíni wọ́n fẹ́ fi ṣàríà yẹn gba nǹkan kan lọ́wọ́ wa ni. Wọ́n fẹ́ fi ṣàríà yẹn sọ Yorùbá dà nǹkan kan ni. Wọ́n fẹ́ fi ṣàríà yẹn fa ìrìn àjò Yorùbá sẹ́yìn ni. Bóyá wọ́n fẹ́ fi ṣàríà yẹn mú kí ẹ̀mí Yorùbá ó gùn tàbí kí ẹ̀mí Yorùbá ó kúrú ni. Òun la fi ń sọ fún wa wípé ohun tó ń bẹ nílẹ̀ yìí kì í ṣe pé wọ́n kórìíra Mùsùlùmí, kì í ṣe pé wọ́n kórìíra oníṣẹ̀ṣe, kì í ṣe pé wọ́n kórìíra àwọn onígbàgbọ́ Kìrìsìtẹ́nì. Yorùbá ni gbogbo wa, a bí wa ní Yorùbá ni. Nígbà tí ẹ̀sìn dé ni gbogbo àwọn bàbá wa náà gba ẹ̀sìn láàyè. Ẹni bá dẹ̀ lálàáfíà ní í ṣe ẹ̀sìn. Ẹ̀yin bàbá wa àtẹ̀yin ìyá wa nínú Mùsùlùmí. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ mọ̀, kẹ́ ẹ dẹ̀ fi sọ́kàn yín wípé ní ìgbà tán máa pa ọkọ olóyún, wọ́n á béèrè lọ́wọ́ ọkọ olóyún pé ṣé Mùsùlùmí ni ẹ́ àbí gbàgbọ́. Nígbà tán tó máa pa Àlàájà àti bọ́dà wa Àbúròdé, wọ́n á béèrè. Èrè ìdí nìyẹn tọ́mọdé yẹn wọ́n fi sọ wípé ẹnikẹ́ni tó bá dìde pé òun fẹ́ jà fún ìran Yorùbá kí ìran Yorùbá má bàa bọ́ sínú páńpẹ́ Fúlàní finally kò gbọ́dọ̀ fi tẹ̀sí kan ṣe. Ẹ̀já jọ ṣe torí pé àgbájọ ọwọ́ la fi ń sọ̀yà. Àjòjì ọwọ́ kan ò gbẹ́rù dórí. Kí n tó máa bá ọ̀rọ̀ mi bọ̀, gbogbo wa là ń múra lẹ̀. Òkú ìyá wa Akíntóyè, ìyàwó bàbá wa, aṣọ tán mú rèé. Tẹ́ ẹ bá nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí ẹ pé bàbá Èkìtì yóò kàn yín lára. Ẹ ó dẹ̀ rí titi yín gbà. Ọ̀pá mẹ́fà 5,000 naira. Ọ̀pá mẹ́fà is 5,000 naira. Ọ̀pá mẹ́wàá ẹ̀ máa jẹ́, ọ̀pá méjìlá ẹ̀ máa jẹ́ 10,000 naira. Ẹ pè mí, màá dàrẹ́tì yín sí ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn tẹ́ ti máa rí. Tó bá lè jẹ́ pé bàbá Èkìtì lẹ fẹ́ kó bá yín rà, kò sí pé à ń fowó lé, àjọ ń ṣe ni. Àjọ ni bàbá Akíntóyè ni. Màmá tó kú ó wà lẹ́yìn wa bámbám pé kí ìran Yorùbá ó kúrò nínú ìgbèkùn. Aṣọ yìí ọ̀pá mẹ́fà ẹ̀ 5,000. Ọ̀pá mẹ́wàá is 10,000 naira. Ọmọ Adéyẹmọ ti ń sí wa nígbẹ́rẹ́ ìpàkọ́ tipẹ́tipẹ́. Àwọn ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọ́n sọ pé irọ́ lọmọ Adéyẹmọ ń pa. Ọmọ Adéyẹmọ ti ń já wa ní pankẹ́rẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ pé ilẹ̀ Yorùbá wà nínú ewu Fúlàní, pé ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ti wà nínú àhámọ́, pé wọ́n ti ká Yorùbá mọ́. Ọ̀nà wo ni Yorùbá ó fi bọ́ kò nínú ìgbèkùn? Àwọn kan ní ẹmọ́dá lóhùn irọ́ ló ń pa. Làláì àná ó mọ̀ tí wá di nàtúrù lénìí. Ẹ wá gbọ́rọ̀ bàbá wa kan. Bàbá wa brigadier ni wọ́n, jagunjagun ni wọ́n ti fẹ̀yìntì. Brigadier General Túndé Togun. Bàbá ni wọ́n, bàbá ti dàgbà. Àgbàlagbà ni bàbá. Bàbá ò ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ lè máa parọ́. Bàbá was one time a chairman or commander Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn in Ọ̀yọ́ State. Bàbá sọ̀rọ̀, ọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀. Kẹ́ẹ̀gẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tí bàbá ń sọ yìí, kẹ́ ẹ wá gbé sí ẹ̀gbẹ́ ilé tí ọmọ Adéyẹmọ ń sọ fún wa ní 2020 pé Yorùbá ti ń finá sórí òrùlé sùn. Àwọn tá à ń bá ṣeré yìí, àwọn tá à ń rọ̀gbà yíká yìí, àwọn tá à ń pọ́n lẹ́nu láyìí, ọ̀tá wa ni wọ́n. It is because ilẹ̀ wa, ohun ìní wa, ó ranjú mọ́ wa, ó ranjú mọ́ wọn, wọ́n dẹ̀ fẹ́ gbà á lọ́wọ́ wa. Wọ́n ní irọ́ lọmọ Adéyẹmọ ń pa. Ṣé ká tún ní bàbá Brigadier General Túndé Togun tó ń parọ́ náà ni ẹ̀jẹ̀ àyọ̀gbọ̀. Ó máa lẹ́yìn, ó máa lẹ́yìn, ọ̀rọ̀ yìí máa lẹ́yìn àjàǹtí ele. Yorùbá tá a bá tètè ká dìde ká dojú ìjà kọ àwọn Fúlàní, ó máa lẹ́yìn o, ó máa lẹ́yìn, ọ̀rọ̀ yìí máa lẹ́yìn àjàǹtí ele. Ìkódìdí bílíọ̀nìà tírílíọ̀nìà ilẹ̀ Yorùbá tí ẹ̀ ń gágunlá, ó máa lẹ́yìn o, ọ̀rọ̀ yìí máa lẹ́yìn àjàǹtí ele. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ àjọgbọ̀.
You, until recently, was the chair of Togun in Oyo State, right?
Yeah, for some time.
For some time. So what can you say about security around Oyo State and Amotekun?
Until I left, the security was still not okay. There's the influx of these Fulani herdsmen, and I was shouting. I gave a lecture somewhere, and I quoted Abacha. He said, if you are fighting security, and it lasts more than 4 weeks, the government is behind it.
So, explain.
Good. The federal government was behind the influx of Fulani herdsmen to the southern part.
When you say Fulani herdsmen, men with cow,
they call them Fulani herdsmen. Some of them don't even have cows. But they were coming fully armed.
fully armed.
AK-47.
And you said Buhari government was involved.
Wait. That time, everybody was complaining. That time, the government announced that everybody should submit their weapons to the police. Now, people were complaining that time. I'm saying this thing. There was a meeting in Kano. They said they are full now.
Fulani
National movement.
Fulani International Movement.
In their communique that time, this is about 5-6 years ago, that Allah has given them the land of Nigeria as inheritance. And that they have told all Fulani in West Africa, Sub-Region and Central Africa to start coming to Nigeria, to come and take over what Allah has given them as inheritance. That's the land of Nigeria. And that when they are coming, they should come fully armed. That's the only language Nigerians understand. Violence. It is in their communication. All that time, people were shouting. Yeah, but they didn't say a word. But when people challenge him once, why are these people who carry AK-47? He said they are using it to protect their cows.
Was it true?
Of course, now, very, very false. Now, General Buhari, I know he has a very close relationship with the Bishop of Canterbury. Now, when he went to UK, during one of his period of treatment, he told Bishop of Canterbury that it is not Fulani harassment that are killing people. There's some group trained by Gaddafi, who the Gaddafi has armed. They are the ones that infiltrated the Fulani harassment. They are the ones doing the killing.
But what did you discover?
I was discovering somebody one day. asking that in the military, when foreigners enter your territory, carrying arms, what is it you are told in the military? They are described to us as invaders.
Invaders.
And what did the military say we should do with them? We are to hunt them down like rabbits and eliminate them. I said, go and meet Buhari and ask him.
Did they hunt them down?
Who are the people doing the kidnapping? Who are the people? They like refer to them as bandits. Who are the people carrying out the banditry?
Are they in our forest around here?
The entire Yoruba land is occupied by them.
As we are talking now?
As I'm talking to you.
Program analele.
Yes.
So when you were in Amotekun, did you try to tackle them?
Ẹ máa gbọ́.
I can.
Tàbálà ń fi life one play politics.
I didn't have cooperation.
Ẹ máa gbọ́.
Cooperation from who? From Oyo State Governor?
Yeah.
Government, yes.
Oyo State Governor?
Yes.
How?
I can't start saying all these things.
At least give us a hint. What is it that you wanted?
Come. I wanted NCOs from the military, non-commissioned officers, to be recruited, to be put as coordinators in the federal local government. I couldn't achieve that.
Why? What was the reason? They were not available to be recruited or what?
They are available. Now, I don't want to talk more on this. I said they are supposed to be zonal commanders. And I wanted retired combatant officers of the rank of captain or major to be zonal commanders of Amatekun in various zones.
You didn't achieve that?
I didn't achieve it. I don't want to delve much in that area.
But are we under threat in the southwest?
We are severe. The governor the other said that bandits were about 2 kilometers away from where he had his party. But that is, the entire Ibarapa, the entire Ologun, they are saturated with these people.
They are in the forest. They are with guns.
Of course.
What do they want?
They have said it. That Allah has given them the land of Nigeria as their inheritance. That's why they were.
They are camped in the forest?
They are all over.
You just came from Shaki? You came, but you still live in Shaki?
I live there.
So why are you still there if they are all over?
They can come and attack me.
They are not coming out of the forest?
They are coming out and kidnapping people and taking ransom.
Is there anything we can do? Is there anything we can do as a people? What do we do? You are a retired military officer. You've operated within Amotekun.
Ẹ ti gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tí bàbá yẹn sọ. Bàbá Kunle, Brigadier General Kunle Togun. Èmi àtẹ̀yìn ti gbọ́. Ṣé ká ní bàbá eléyìí náà tó ń parọ́ ni? Ilẹ̀ Yorùbá wà nínú ewu. Wọ́n ní Allah ti fún wọn ní ilẹ̀ wa. Fún ogún ìní wọn. Àwọn tí ò níran. Allah ti fún wọn ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. That is why they want to use corner gbogbo ọ̀nà náà ti gbà wọlé. Wọ́n wá wo ilé tí ó rọrùn láti tú ìran Yorùbá ká. Tí Yorùbá ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń dojú ìjà kọra wọn. Wọ́n wá ní kán wá gbé ṣàríà lọ wá. Èrèdí tí àwa kan fi dìde nìyẹn. Pé ẹ má gba ṣàríà láàyè. say no to Sharia. Àwọn tó gbé Sharia bọ̀ yìí ọ̀tá wa ni wọ́n ò fẹ́ràn wa. Ilẹ̀ wa ló ràn mọ́ wọn lójú tán fẹ́ gbà. Ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ jẹ́ á dìde, ẹ jẹ́ á dìde, ẹ jẹ́ á dìde. Ète ní ọ̀rọ̀ Sharia. Ohun tán fẹ́ gangan ní ilẹ̀ wa. Ohun tí ń bẹ lẹ́yìn Sharia ó mà ju Sharia lọ fún ara rẹ̀. Ète ní o. Ni mo fi sọ fún yín lánàá pé àròkò ogun náà ń pa fún ìran Yorùbá. Ẹ gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tí bàbá yẹn sọ pé wọ́n ti surround gbogbo ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. All our reserve wọ́n wà ńbẹ̀. Yorùbá ẹ jẹ́ á dìde sọ̀rọ̀ ara wa. Eléyìí ti kọjá làláì ó ti di nàtúrù mọ́ wa lọ́wọ́. The only solution tó lè mú kí Fúlàní ó fi ilẹ̀ wa lẹ̀ fún wa òun ni ká pín ká ya kò nínú Nàìjíríà. The only solution that can make Fulani say bye bye to Yorùbá ni pé ká gba orílẹ̀-èdè wa. Yorùbá, let us fight for our freedom. We need our freedom. Torí ikú tó pẹ́ lẹ́dìyẹ kó má gbọ́dọ̀ pé léwúrẹ́ o. Ọmọ Yorùbá ó tún dàárọ̀.